Paint the sky with a brush in my hand, shape the world with the dreams I plan. Fabric flows like rivers in my mind, every stitch a story I design. Jewels gleam like stars in my chest, build a world where my soul can rest. Every frame, every line I create, I hold the pen to write my fate. I follow the flow, I follow the beat. My heart's the compass, guiding my feet. This is my time, I choose my way. Dreams in my hands, I seize the day.
Cameras click, I freeze the time. Colors burst, they're yours and mine. Architecture rises from my soul. Brick by brick, I make it whole. Scientific sketches art in disguise. Microscopic wonders meet my eyes. Interdisciplinary, I blend it all. A future built where none can fall.
Hands to the clay, voice to the wind. The fire inside is where I begin. No looking back, no second guess. I'm the artist of my own success.